Hey everyone, welcome to another Stonehearth Desktop Tuesday. One thing you may have noticed in Alpha 19 is that Yang has added an official mod manager to the settings section of the start screen. The mod manager will allow you to see which mods are available in your Stonehearth game folder and to enable and disable mods that you do not want to be active in this game from a single central menu. For example, if you want to try out the brand new and very awesome Candledark 3 mod from Froggy, you go to stonehearth.net, download the mod and put it in your mods folder. When you open the game, you will see it enabled in the mod manager. If you want to play it, you can keep going either with a new game or an Alpha 19 save. Ooh, vampires and onks and crazy Candledark masks and hats and candy! After Halloween is over, if you no longer want Candledark in your game, for some reason, you no longer have to delete it from your mods folder. You can just turn it off in the mod manager. If you have two mods that you know are incompatible with each other, you can toggle them on and off from here. The other big mod manager related news is that the game now ships by default with our Debug Tools mod, which is a powerful suite of debugging keys and abilities that you can use to help drill down on bugs that are happening in your game, or just to create towns and scenarios for yourself. Debug Tools is disabled by default, but if you turn it on in the settings menu, you will see a suite of 6 tools appear in the upper right corner of the screen. Here are some of the most useful ones. The Item Stamper tool allows you to type in part of an object's name and then stamp that object either in its full or iconic form down into the world. Gongs for everybody! The Campaign Manager allows you to take a look at what encounters are currently pending and to trigger new encounters immediately. For example, you can use this to trigger a trader that you like, or more monsters, or XP for your footmen, or the Goblin and Orc campaigns if you're impatient and want to try them out early. The AI menu lets you look at what Hearthlings are currently thinking. It can be really useful data if you see a Hearthling idling and you don't understand why. Maybe they're trying to do a task, but can't actually get to it yet. You can also shift-click on an object to activate a number of useful behaviors on that object. For example, you can trivially teleport people and objects, or destroy them, or make them hungry, or level them up. You can automatically build buildings or automatically remove them. You can even auto-mine terrain, which is very useful when creating towns and structures for these videos. Control-C brings up the console window. From this, you can type help to get a wide variety of console commands. We implement these to help us with our testing. You can add citizens, you can change the time, and much, much, much more. We use these debug tools all the time. For example, in this save, Albert saw an engine error that told him that a quaternion, which is a number type we use for object rotation, was being divided by 0. Investigating this further, he discovered that the source is a party patrolling together, who are moving at speed 0 because their path intersected some window frames on the house model that had been for some reason placed twice or 3 times. How did we know this? Well, we started using debug tools to delete windows and discovered that they were stacked. After deleting the extra ones, the party got unstuck. So, if you encounter a Stonehearth bug and would like to try your hand at diagnosing it, please give Debug Tools a try. Also, give Candledark and the Mod Manager a go and let us know how things are working for you here in the comments or on our forum at discourse.stonehearth.net. See you next week!